In this video, I'll share with you how you can generate this type of videos with Veo3. And we can get this absolutely free. We know using Veo3 is it's a paid tool, but we will use this for free. Go to Google and search for Video Google, then visit this website. And now here you'll see we got Veo 3.1. Now click on Get Started and make sure that you are signed in with one of your Gmail while visit this site. Now you can see the editor dashboard here. Just copy your video prompt, scene prompt one by one and paste here. Now we can see we have multiple options here for the video, so we can make it with the landscape and portrait as well. Now after we give here our scene, we just generate, and within few seconds our clip will be ready for view. Now you can see it's absolutely generate a high quality video for us, and it's absolutely free. You can generate unlimited. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Now let's try to create another scene here. We just copy the scene from ChatGPT we used to generate our story, and here we just click on generate. So scene by scene you can generate your video script from here and paste here. You can add transition as well. Now with this we generate all of our scenes. Here another exciting part, we can add our voiceover for each scenes. Okay, so just simply we'll go to ChatGPT and ask for the scenes for every clips. Now we have here up to 10 scenes. We just paste here one by one all the scenes. Then we will check our narrator here. We have 4 to 5 narrator here for the voiceover, so select any of them, and then you just need to click on insert all voiceovers, and within a second it will generate all the voiceover for you. And that's it. You can now play your video or download it. So this way you can use this Veo3 absolutely free and generate unlimited videos for you. Okay, hope you like this video, and make sure to like, subscribe and comment for more. Thank you. Even you can add captions from here. So just click on captions, and here you can see you can add captions for entire clip or only for one clip. Just click on any of the caption template and it will generate automatically.
In a quiet and peaceful village, hidden deep among the misty mountains, where the wind gently touched the bamboo trees, everything felt calm and perfect. There lived a small, clumsy panda, with bright eyes and a heart full of dreams, dreaming every single day of becoming a great kung fu warrior. But the others never saw his dream. They laughed at him, mocked his mistakes, and told him he would never be strong enough. One day, a wise old master appeared, watching him closely, and for the first time, someone truly believed in what he could become. So the training began. He fell, he failed, he struggled, but every time he got back up, stronger, braver, and more determined than before.
Get back quickly! Run!
Day,
Hide yourselves!
A powerful enemy arrived, bringing fear to the village and
By the
turning
stars,
peace into chaos.
what is that thing?
His heart trembled with fear. His body felt weak, but deep inside, a new courage slowly began to rise. With all his strength and everything he had learned, he stepped forward, ready to fight, ready to protect everyone. The battle was fierce. Every move, every strike showed how far he had come, proving he was no longer the same panda. And as the dust settled, he stood tall like a true hero, no longer just a dreamer, but a real warrior at last.